In this video, we will see together when to use the tenses in French and more precisely for this video, le futur antérieur de l'indicatif. Le futur antérieur de l'indicatif. So the first thing that we can say is that it is a compound tense. So it means that you will have to use the auxiliary avoir or être. Second thing, it presents a future event that is anterior to another presented in the futur simple tense. So it means that you will express something in the future that will have been done connected to another future event that will come after. But I will give you an example and I hope it will be clear. And then it expresses a fact considered to be fulfilled in the future. So let's take the example. First one, j'aurai fini mon exercice dans 5 minutes. So as you can see here, in fact, the verb is finir. Finir is in the futur antérieur. Here you use avoir that you put in the futur simple and then you put the past participle of finir. And it's fini. J'aurai fini. J'aurai fini mon exercice dans 5 minutes. J'aurai déjà mangé quand je rentrerai ce soir. And this is where you can see this concept of anteriority. So, j'aurai déjà mangé. It's something that will happen in the future, but it will be the first thing that will happen in the future. Then, the second thing that will happen after, je rentrerai ce soir. So this is quite useful in some cases because as you can see, I'll have eaten by the time I get home tonight. It's not something that is extremely rare to use. So, j'aurai déjà mangé, in that case, futur antérieur. Quand je rentrerai, futur simple. Je serai parti d'ici dans 2 minutes. Same thing here. So as we saw, it expresses a fact considered to be fulfilled in the future. So in 2 minutes, it's the future. Je serai parti d'ici. Je serai parti d'ici dans 2 minutes. We can use it also for a hypothesis about an event that's already happened. Or then it is used to recap things or to take stock of one's life. So let's see the examples now. Elle aura sûrement oublié de prendre son téléphone avec elle. So in that case, as you can see, the verb is oublier. We put it in the futur antérieur form. Elle aura oublié. So we're not sure about it. So that's the reason it's an hypothesis in that case. And the event already happened. Ils auront fait beaucoup de choses intéressantes et passionnantes dans leur vie. So same thing here. You recap things about their lives. And in that case, you will use le futur antérieur. Ils auront fait. So in that case, as you can see, it's the verb faire that is used with the auxiliary avoir that is in the futur simple. Ils auront fait beaucoup de choses intéressantes et passionnantes dans leur vie.